Hello and welcome to today's podcast. This episode is brought to you by DG Training, a leading training institute offering industry-focused courses, practical learning experiences, and KHD-approved certification programs designed to help professionals build in-demand skills and advance their careers. Workplaces today are increasingly driven by data, from customer experiences and business strategies to healthcare decisions and market trends. Data influences countless decisions every day. Behind these insights are data analysts who transform raw information into meaningful recommendations that organizations can use to grow and improve. In this podcast, we will discuss what a data analyst does, explore the roadmap to becoming a data analyst in 2026, review the essential skills required, look at education and certification options in Dubai, and discover some of the best resources available for self-learning. So let's get started. Workplaces today are data-driven. Whether you realize it or not, data influences decision-making in almost every industry. From coffee shop recommendations to hospital treatments, data plays a role in shaping important outcomes. But who actually analyzes all this information and turns it into decisions that businesses can act on? The answer is a data analyst. Imagine your team has thousands of customer reviews, sales reports, and feature requests. Someone needs to make sense of all that information and identify what really matters. That is exactly what a data analyst does. A data analyst is a professional who gathers, organizes, and interprets data to help organizations make informed decisions. They work with datasets using tools such as Excel, SQL, Python, and business intelligence platforms to uncover patterns, trends, and insights. Whether they work for a software company, a government agency, or an online business, their role is to transform large amounts of information into clear dashboards, reports, visualizations, and recommendations. While the work involves analysis, its impact is often seen in real-world business outcomes. Now let's look at the roadmap to becoming a data analyst. A data analyst career does not begin with advanced tools or complex technologies. It begins with curiosity and a desire to solve problems. The first step is learning fundamental data skills. These include Excel, basic statistics, data cleaning, SQL, and Python. These skills form the foundation of the data analyst journey. Even if you do not have a formal degree, you can begin with free resources, online courses, and practice tools. The goal is to build a strong understanding of how data works. As you learn, it is important to work on real projects. Activities such as creating reports, cleaning datasets, and performing trend analysis help you apply your knowledge in practical situations. These projects should become part of your portfolio because employers often want to see what you can do, not just what you know. Learning visualization tools such as Power BI or Tableau is also important. Alongside that, internships and freelance opportunities can help you gain practical experience and strengthen your credibility. As your career develops, you can progress into senior analyst roles, specialize in areas such as finance or marketing analytics, or even move into consulting positions. The key is to continue learning and building your skills over time. Now let's talk about the essential skills required to become a successful data analyst in 2026. One of the most important skills is Python. Python is widely used for cleaning data, automating repetitive tasks, creating visualizations, and even supporting machine learning and big data projects. Another essential skill is SQL, or structured query language. SQL is used to access, manage, and analyze data stored in databases. Practical SQL knowledge is considered a core requirement for most data analyst roles. Advanced Excel remains one of the most valuable tools for analysts. Features such as VLOOKUP, index match, advanced formulas, and dashboard creation are still widely used across industries. Microsoft PowerPoint is another useful skill because analysts often need to present their findings clearly and effectively. Strong presentations help stakeholders understand insights and make informed decisions. Problem-solving and decision-making skills are equally important. A data analyst must be able to identify patterns, evaluate information, and develop logical recommendations based on evidence and trends. Another valuable skill is our programming, which is especially useful for statistical analysis, advanced visualizations, reporting, and exploring complex datasets. DG Training helps learners build these important skills through practical training programs. Students receive hands-on experience, flexible learning options, and KHDA certification designed to support career growth. These skills are valuable whether you are just beginning your journey or looking to strengthen your existing expertise. Now let's explore the education and certification path available in Dubai. Dubai offers several routes for aspiring data analysts. One option is pursuing a full-time degree in fields such as statistics, computer science, or business analytics. While these programs provide comprehensive knowledge, they typically require a significant investment of time and money. Another option is attending a boot camp. Many boot camps can be completed within 3 to 6 months and focus heavily on practical workplace skills. Online learning is also a popular path. Platforms such as Coursera, Udemy, and edX offer self-paced data analytics courses that are affordable and often include certifications recognized by employers. Some of the most respected certifications include the Microsoft Data Analyst Associate Certification, the Google Data Analytics Certificate, and the Tableau Desktop Specialist Certification. These credentials can strengthen a resume and improve career opportunities worldwide. DG Training is one of the institutions offering KHD-approved online and classroom-based data analytics programs. These courses combine practical workshops, expert guidance, and certification opportunities. Regardless of whether you choose a degree, a boot camp, or an online course, strong Excel skills remain essential for many data-related positions in Dubai's growing digital economy. If you prefer learning independently, YouTube can be an excellent resource. Several creators regularly publish valuable content related to data analytics and real-world projects. Alex the Analyst shares beginner-friendly tutorials covering Excel, SQL, portfolio building, and interview preparation. Kenji focuses more on career development, data science pathways, and industry insights for aspiring professionals. Luke Barus is known for creating simple and engaging explanations of data workflows, tools, and analytics concepts. These channels provide free learning opportunities covering topics such as Power BI, data visualization, storytelling, and practical analytics workflows. They allow learners to develop skills at their own pace. As we come to the end of this discussion, many people still ask a simple question: is data analytics a good career? The answer is yes. With the right training, consistent practice, and guidance from experienced mentors, data analytics continues to offer strong career opportunities. Whether you are changing careers or entering the workforce for the first time, demand for skilled data analysts remains high, and the path to entering the field is more accessible than ever. DG Training supports learners through practical instruction, expert mentorship, and carefully designed programs that help students gain confidence and develop job-ready skills. If you are interested in expanding your technical knowledge even further, exploring additional programming languages can also help strengthen your long-term career prospects. And if you are ready to become a data analyst in 2026, your journey can start today. That brings us to the end of today's podcast on how to become a data analyst in 2026. Data analytics continues to be one of the most promising career paths for individuals who enjoy problem-solving, working with information, and helping organizations make smarter decisions. With the right combination of skills, practical experience, and continuous learning, building a successful career in this field is more achievable than ever. Thank you for listening. If you found this episode helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. To know more, you can visit our website at dgtrainingland.ae. Let's wrap it up here. Thanks again for listening.